Today we are in Windsong Ranch and I am absolutely ecstatic because finally we're able to show you a Madison by Southgate homes. This thing is absolutely one of our favorite floor plans. Almost 4,200 square feet, 5 bedrooms, media room downstairs, got a wet bar, 71-foot lot in Windsong Ranch. Let's go take a look. All right, so here we go. And Patrice, we are excited to see this one. This is, for you old school people that followed us on our original channel, you'll know that we did this. We were the first ones to show you this model way back pre-COVID. And it was their model right here in Windsong Ranch. And this is kind of the reverse floor plan of that, if you recognize it. But this is one of our absolute favorites. And one of the nice things is it's just been recently marked down like 39 grand, something like that. So it's being offered at 1.239. And you come in, look at this.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It really is beautiful.
Yes.
I mean, I love this. And we haven't said this in a while, but it's day 82 of our 90-day challenge.
We're almost done.
We are almost done.
And guys, when we are done, things are gonna change a little bit. We don't know what we're gonna do. Should we keep going with this whole daily thing? Do you guys like this style? Or do you want us to go a little bit more
Into neighborhoods.
Yeah, exactly.
Into all that kind of stuff.
All right, so here we are in the office. Really good size, love the 3 windows, love overlooking the little porch. You've got your French doors, I like the clear glass. Good size office. Then you come through, you've got a bedroom off of the front with its own ensuite.
Decent size, good size bath, love, love, love. That tile is very cool. And it goes all the way up, which we love.
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna hear that word a lot, love, in this floor plan. This is like one of our true favorites.
The other thing though is it's been hard to film today because there are a lot of people out snagging these things up.
And I can't even tell you, if you are serious, if you see any of these houses and you want our help, you need to reach out to us on the Dream Home Forum because things are moving quick.
They really are.
Here's the downstairs media.
This is so big.
Yeah, in fact, on this house, we had to wait because there was an interested client that is looking to maybe purchase this thing. So, like I said, but I was not gonna let a Madison go without showing you guys. Love this floor plan. Love the size of this. You know, obviously Windsong Ranch, you've got solid core doors throughout.
You've got your vacuum closet.
They did the optional wet bar as you come right over here. If you were not to do a wet bar, this would be kind of a closet area.
This one's great too. They've actually left the space for the fridge. I like the floating shelves. And then on the other side, you've got these cabinets. You know what? I like seeing a little bit something
wood grain?
different. Yeah.
Okay, so that's where I was gonna go with this whole thing, because you'll notice that not only in the primary bath, but right here in the kitchen as well. So I'm curious what you guys think about that. Because I'll be honest, for me,
You've never been a fan of
I'm
wood
not
grain.
a fan, but it's gorgeous to me. And I'm not a big fan of the grain, but for some reason, and I do love the 2-tone here. And it's actually kind of 3-tone, right?
Yes.
You've got that wood grain here, you've got the white cabinetry here, and then you've got like kind of this darker hood.
The darker hood matches the beams in there and then the mantle. So it all kinds of ties together really nicely.
Yeah, see, if I was doing it and I was in the design center, it'd be white on white, and you know, I'm so like boring. I guess that's why they are designers, right? But look at this, you've got 6 burner cooktop, you got the griddle. This is what I'm talking about. A lot of bang for your buck with this. Patrice, look at this. They've got the 4 drawers. Loving that. So anyway, I'm excited, guys. Sorry. You got 2 double ovens. You got your microwave right there, and then you've got a Costco approved snack closet, of course.
Of course.
And then there's always, you can always tell a Southgate home by two things. And the first thing is this dining area. They always have it with the window seats, the wraparound window seats, and then this wall of 3 walls of glass. Loving every bit of that.
Yeah, this is always a favorite of Southgate. I love it too. I love the option to sit here, or if you want to sit at the table. I mean, you can have so many people just gathered around, hanging out, talking.
Yeah, this is really nice. Let's go out into the backyard. Look at this patio. You've got the nice sliders that everybody wants. What a lot of our clients have done that have built this plan is they've put the screens down, so it just gives you that privacy. Here's your gas stub. A lot of them have also done a fireplace right here. So stuff that you can kind of do after if you want. What do you think of the gray and black?
I think it's pretty. I think it looks, it's kind of nice to see something other than white, you know, so it's kind of something different. I like this backyard too. I like the size of it.
Yeah, 71 foot wide, and it's not crazy deep, but it's deep enough to kind of put a pool in or your playground and all that good stuff. But again, with Windsong Ranch, you've got the 5-acre lagoon, you've got the pools. I mean, you've got several options to where you can just kind of leave it as is.
I really like the look of that whole area with the glass cabinets, and I just think it really makes a really nice pop right there.
That is a very nice spot. You've got a half bath right here, and then your laundry area right here.
Ooh, good size laundry. I like that. I like it with the sink. And I like all the cabinets. This is great.
Okay, well, let's go take a look at the primary and then we'll head upstairs. But before we do, obviously it's got the beams, it's got the sliders. What do you think of this fireplace?
I actually really like that fireplace. I like how it's black tile, but it's like different shades of black. It's pretty neat.
Do you think it would have been cool to carry that all the way up the tile? Or would that be too much?
That's a good question.
I don't know, guys. Let us know. Let us know. I know that some of you are like interior decorators, so let us know what your thoughts are. Look at the size of this room. I love the vaulted ceiling. Definitely needs a beam. You've got your window seat with 3 big windows here. This is definitely a king size bedroom and big full size vanity, or side tables. You know, you can get those big ones on either side. Yeah, room for your TV. And then the second thing that makes a Southgate home is the car wash shower. Here we go, guys. Car wash shower, kind of my favorite thing. They hide the niche here, right? I mean, dual heads. Got
Always beautiful.
yeah.
Always beautiful. I love it too.
Now, they've got a big soaking bathtub, and they've got these, they're not split vanities, but they're kind of separated. And again, it's carrying that oak wood grain. I don't know.
I love it.
I mean,
really cool.
it looks really nice. I have to admit.
Oh, and a window in the closet. You know I love that.
Yeah, window in the closet.
This is great.
Yeah, no, this is a great floor plan. All right, let's go upstairs now and check out what's going on up there.
All right, now this is interesting. We walk up straight to a hallway, and now which way should we go?
Let's go left. All right, we go in here, and here's your first secondary bedroom. Good size with a walk-in closet and ensuite. Now follow me, come on. What do you think of these light fixtures?
I think that light fixture is very cool. It's huge.
Yeah, and you get 2 of them.
I don't know if it's coming across or not, but it is neat.
One of the things that I do like, you're gonna have like this homework cutout section. A lot of our clients have made this a desk, and then we've also had a client that actually made this a bar area. Whatever you wanna do, but here is the secondary living area or game room, whatever you wanna call it. They have a TV here, really, really nice size. And what I love about it is no noise pollution. This is why this is one of our favorite plans. If you guys have been following us along, you know that this checks off a lot of boxes for Andy. You've got a full bath right here. And that serves your guests as well as this bedroom. Look how big the bedrooms are. They're just oversized. They got nice closets. There's just something about it that I really love. You're gonna have to see them in person maybe.
Yeah, all our clients always say, wow, this is so much bigger in person than on camera.
Yeah. And then we go into this one. You've got its own ensuite as well as, again, nice size here with the walk-in closet. So there you have it, guys. Day 82 is a wrap of our 90-day challenge. Remember, don't forget to comment below. What would you like to see next with us? Do you want to see community tours? Do you want to see us to continue to do these daily videos, you know, where it's just not all hoop and glamour and all that fancy editing and all that stuff, where it's just raw, here's what you get, whatever the case may be? Or would you like to see us just go a little more concentrated, do community tours, maybe a little more in depth on why you should move here, where to move, all that stuff. Maybe reduce that down to 2 or 3 videos a week. You let us know in the comments below. If you have any real estate needs in 2026 in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we'd love the opportunity to help you out. If you want to get in contact with us, hit that Dream Home form below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that Dream Home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.